Welcome to part 4. This is the moment you've been waiting for. You've topped up your credits, created a template, and built your contact groups. Now it's time to send your first real bulk SMS campaign. In the next few minutes I'll walk you through every single step, from picking recipients to hitting send, so you can reach thousands of people in seconds with perfect delivery. Let's make it happen. Alright, let's get started. From the sidebar, go to Messaging SMS Campaigns, click Send SMS. Pick your approved sender ID. Promotional sender IDs auto-add the opt-out text, for example, stop 456.9*5 hashtag. Add recipients, you can either paste numbers, comma separated and no spaces, or select contact groups. Write your message. Use a template for speed, or type it. If you choose to use contact groups, you'll see a list of your selectable groups. You can also choose to use an Excel file similar to the upload contacts format. Preview, then choose send message or schedule for later. For promotional sender ID, keep the message at under 145 characters to avoid double charges. For transactional sender ID, keep it under 160 characters. Add hashtag name hashtag for personalization if names are saved together with the contacts when you use contact groups. Credits are deducted instantly once the message is sent. Low balance? Sidebar turns red if below your set threshold. Track it later in campaigns. Open any campaign for full delivery reports and operator details. That's it, bulk SMS is sent. In our next video we will be going through WhatsApp bulk messaging.